What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be reviewing the Bushnell Velocity radar gun. My little brother will be throwing a football, and let's see. Go. 22. Come on. 22. Here. 25.
Why don't you tell them what you're doing to use it, son?
I am holding down this trigger. You have to hold it and then wait till the pitch is made. Then it'll say 17 miles per hour.
I didn't try.
Do you feel like it's fairly accurate?
Yeah. And you can do kilometers, but we do miles per hour. 25.
Oh yeah.
And this is the turn on button. This is how you turn it off and on.
Seems fairly easy to use.
Yeah, it is. That didn't say because he didn't even rattle.
No.
So that didn't register. Sometimes it won't register. 19.
All right, so that's the Bushnell Velocity radar gun.
I did a 9.9 out of 10.
And does it have a case or a bag that you can store it in?
Yes, it does. I'll show you the bag real quick. Yes, this is my video.
A little storage bag. All right, great.
Bye. Peace.